Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to create a good character on Aviosa. Let's go ahead and log in first. Now that we're logged in, let's click on our profile and click the Create button. Now that we're on the character creation page, let me show you what each of these boxes mean, starting off with the name field. This is simply your character's name. Moving on to the tagline, just a short description of the character and the scenario of the roleplay if there is any. This, apart from the character name, will be the only description of your character that users will see. Let's also select a picture for the character. Moving on to the character type. A character can be of two types, either a roleplay character, in which the AI will roleplay with the user in a scenario, or an assistant character, where there may not be a set scenario but it's meant to assist the user with a certain topic, such as venting bots or coding assistance. You'll notice that there's an appearance field for roleplay characters, but not for assistant characters. Anyway, let's move on to the appearance field. Just describe what your character looks like, or write no appearance if your character doesn't have one. Now, for the character definition. This is where you define your character's behavior, fandom, backstory, quirks, personality, and any other instructions for the AI itself. In this example, I'll split it into three parts. A section for the fandom of the character, explaining its backstory and the world it lives in. A section for its personality and behavior, and a section explaining the scenario of the roleplay. In this case, the user chatting with the bot will be a new student at Gumball's school. Feel free to get inspired from fandom wikis or online resources. Make sure to explain exactly how your character talks and acts. And don't worry, if your character is part of a very popular fandom, you don't need to specify every single little detail. Aviosa already knows a lot about tens of thousands of different fandoms, and some users even said that their characters have made canon statements in roleplays that were never mentioned in the character definition. Anyway, moving on to the last field, the starter message. This message is the starting point of every conversation. If you want, you can leave it blank and let the user send the first message. You can also write user surrounded by two braces to write the user's username or persona name. And we have finally created our character. Don't forget to go to aviosa.fun for the best AI role-playing experience.